I'm James Spann. This is the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Thursday, the 3rd day of June. New day, really an old forecast, moist air, and later today we'll see those showers and storms firing up again. Let's look at some of the shots out the window this morning. First off, coming from Fayette. Up in northwest Alabama, the sky mostly fair, and nice to see the daylight out there. You know, we're getting awfully close to the summer solstice. That's June the 21st this year. That'll be the day with the greatest amount of daylight. After that, the days begin to get shorter. Hey, look at that daylight coming from Troy, down in southeast Alabama's Pike County, and from Clanton in Chilton County. It's a calm morning. Around the nation, pretty quiet. Not much happening in terms of advisories. Check the water vapor satellite shot this morning. Watching that impulse over Texas with interest. Producing a big flare of convection on the Texas coastal plain, but around here, things are pretty quiet. On our watch warning map today, we got a slight risk of severe weather from D.C. and Baltimore up to almost Boston, and a small slight risk over the northern high plains. Tomorrow, a standard slight risk of severe weather from near Omaha over to Columbus, Ohio. And on day 3, slight risk up in the northeast and also for places like St. Louis and Lexington, Kentucky. Here's the QPF chart. Expected rain for the next 5 days. This is valid through Monday evening at 7. Gulf Coast looks a little wet. Up this way, the amounts are about 1 to 1.5 inches, actually closer to 1 inch. And again, come on now. We had some folks that had 2.5 inches of rain just yesterday. Other folks had nothing. And but if you smooth it all out, it might look like this. But again, these maps are not the best to show on summer days. We show them anyway just because folks want to see them. But again, use them with caution. And the Atlantic Basin on this 3rd day of the hurricane season is very quiet. There's the GFS. This is the OZ run, valid at 1 o'clock today at 500 millibars. You can see that vortex over eastern Texas. Other than that, the core of the westerlies are well to the north, and down below that, today should be much like yesterday, the day before, and the day before. Some sunshine this morning, and then we'll see scattered showers and storms firing up later today. This is suggesting the deeper moisture will be from Birmingham south and east, with dry conditions up in the northwestern tip of the state. But even up there, I wouldn't go totally dry. Tomorrow's same deal. The moisture seems a little thinner here, but I'm not so sure that you can really determine a reason for that. We think it will be a day with partly sunny conditions and a few scattered storms around. All right, Saturday, starting off the weekend, the vortex that was over Texas is sitting around Baton Rouge, Louisiana. And the proximity of that thing might help to fire up maybe a greater number of showers and storms, especially for the southern 2/3 of the state. But again, Saturday just doesn't look to be a lot different. Warm, moist, scattered showers and storms. And if that vortex comes into play, there could be even some morning showers around. And then finally, Sunday, moisture thins out a bit. Showers become widely scattered. And then Monday of next week, that old 594 ring tries to nose in here from the west. Now, the hottest weather would be over Phoenix, Albuquerque, Lubbock, El Paso, places like that, but that looks still like there's a moisture axis here on the periphery of that upper high. So clearly, we can't take out the chance of an afternoon storm for a while, maybe not until October, but certainly not in the short term. Tuesday of next week, again, there could be enough moisture for a few scattered showers. Same thing on Wednesday. Those 2 days look relatively dry. But look at Thursday, a week from today. Look at the trough developing over the east. Doesn't that look good? The heat bubble stays out in the southwest, and a cold front comes through here. Now, we all know that cold fronts don't make it through here in June that often. They can. But if that happens to be correct, that would bring a pretty good round of showers and storms. And then on Friday, the 11th of June, dry continental air settling in here. And that would be a day with lower humidity, no afternoon showers for a change. And it would be very comfortable, but that's over a week out, and that's voodoo country, and we all know that might change. Into the forecast on June 18th. That looks like summer. 588 ridge covers much of the nation. The westerlies are up in Canada, and the weather looks awfully quiet. out there. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3:30 or so today. And if you're local to us, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 in Birmingham at 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.